Hi, welcome to the Quick and Easy channel. Today we're going to make a quick and easy meal using very little heat. Today my air conditioner is broke, so we're going to use our George Foreman grill to make a flavorful hamburger for lunch. Stay tuned. Okay, we're not gonna make just your ordinary hamburger. We're gonna make a flavorful burger. So let's go over the ingredients. First, you have choices. You could use Swiss, or you could use cheddar cheese, or you can mix them, or if you got another favorite cheese like American cheese, you can use that. So you got cheese. Whatever cheese you like will work. Then you're gonna get Hidden Valley, 1 packet of that, ground beef. Doesn't have to be organic, but if you're trying to be healthy, probably want to go with grass-fed beef. Shredded lettuce. Now, I like to buy it all shredded already. You can get the leaf and rip it off, but I think it's much better. Then you get whatever bun you like. You can get a whole wheat bun or whatever. We're going to use sandwich buns. And then the secret to this is mild guacamole, or you could get spice guacamole mixture. It has the tomatoes in it, and it has little seasonings, and it got the onions in it. So this is your ingredients. Of course, you have options with the mustard, ketchup, mayo, if you want any of that. So, all right, we're gonna make this in a bowl and then prepare for the George Foreman grill. Stay tuned. Okay, to prepare to make your burger, you don't wanna just throw some salt and pepper on a patty. So you wanna kind of soften it up so you can make a good patty. Then you're gonna slowly add in some of the seasoning, the Valley Ranch seasoning, so it gets all thoroughly into the burger. Once you get the Valley Ranch all into your meat, then you want to add in your cheese, whatever cheese you choose. We're using mozzarella, as much or as little as you want, and we'll mix it in with the meat before we make our patties. And once you get it all mixed up into the meat, I like to make a patty, and then I like to try to cut meat out into this about the same size as the bun. So I just get something to be like a cookie cutter and just cut it around so that you have a nice, pretty much even patty. Then you put some salt and pepper on it on both sides, and then you put it on the George Foreman grill. And this is how you make a flavorful hamburger, not like McDonald's. You just grill it, throw some ketchup and mustard on it, and you're done. All right, so now it's time to fire up the George Foreman grill. Okay, once you've got your George Foreman grill all heated up, I like to spray a little bit of oil on it, even though it's Teflon, just to make sure my burger don't stick. Then you wanna put your burger on. Look, it looks flavorful already, doesn't it? And now you close the lid for about 3 to 4 minutes till your green light comes on, and then you're all set. Okay, once the George Foreman gets done with it, we'll put some Dijon mustard on there. You could use ketchup, mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, whatever your taste is. And then we'll spread that onto the top half. Then my favorite, I like to add in the mild guacamole. You see you got the guacamole on there. They have spicy, but I like the guacamole. And then your lettuce. Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy channel. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy meal. Please stay tuned for more meals just like this. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.